Hey folks, we're on another one. Cheers, Winter Solstice. You believe that? Well, on this side, we're gonna celebrate the Winter Solstice. We're gonna cook some pizza. Also, tomorrow morning, a lot of people have been asking, I'll show you what spare parts, what tools I bring, what do I have on board in case something breaks. I'll lay out all my tools, my spare parts, show you what I bring along, where it's stored, how I store it. Little episode, it's all about recovery tomorrow. Kick back, grab yourself a cold beer, enjoy. It's loud out here. Hey. Let's get another beer. Elevation's about 3,500 foot. Firewall temp is 46 degrees. We're gonna have a fire, drink a couple beers, make some pizza, and have fun. Let's get on it. Welcome to Vintage Overland Adventures. Larry here. I know I have some contemporary stuff. My little snowman the kids made. All right, gonna grill up little veggies. It's nice and warm here. Got the pizza oven going. Little antifreeze. Little jalapeno. Try this out. I don't know how hot these are. Whew. Oh, those are hot. Those are really hot. Nice stage light. 200 Canadian. Little ground black pepper for the peppers. All right, we got a little ham, we got pineapple, got some chicken, some veggies, fresh avocado, it's pretty rock hard, some grilled veggies. All right. Whoa, table. I think the littler, the better for me. But I like it a little bit bigger than that. I don't mind. Let's check these veggies out over here. Oh, they're doing good. They're growing up nice. Looks good. A little bit bigger than a golf ball. Oh, this one's gonna be nice. All right. Grab some sauce. Oh, my favorite spoon. Always. Nice, right? Most of the time I do not do cheese on mine, so I will tonight. I'll splurge. All right. Some roasted veggies. Let's take a break every once in a while. This one here, do some chunks of ham, a couple of chunks of pineapple for the people that love pineapple on their pizza. What do you think of that? Yeah, for the perfect pizza, you gotta have Kraft pizza cheese, both mozzarella and Parmesan. If you don't get that, it has to be Kraft. If you don't get that, not doing a good job. That being done, let's check the temp. Let's check the temp. 570 degrees. That sounds pretty good. Slide it in. Let's go, folks. That's pretty cool. The dough is an old family recipe that my dad used to use a long time ago. Pizza shop, Wimco. This one's a little too big, but it's all right. We'll go really thin with this one. See what we can do here. Cutting board is a friend of mine, Buddha, gave it to me. This cut a lot of tacos. Taco side is on the other side. You can smell it. Ooh, look at that bubble on that one. All right. Don't touch that, folks. It's hot. It's only 800 degrees hot, so we're all right. That's pretty good. Let's get that going. All right, the cheese next. Oh. This one's gonna be pepperoni. You can tell how little these guys are. Little pizzas, right? Yeah, right? Huh. These are gnarly. Get you back a little bit. Mm-hmm. That's sharp. Oh, this one's going really good. "29 degrees outside. Making pizza. Oh, look at that. That thing looks great. Everything's freezing. What, just a month ago, doing the interior, the headliner on that bus, like 140 degrees inside there, to freezing right now. I think I can slide this one on with the spatula. Oh, I hear it. It's happy. It is happy. That one looks really good. Ah, burnt up. Look at that. Oh, that's heaven. That's heaven. I think I'm gonna do the Do a little cheese first. Nice grilled veggies. Woo. Yeah. You know how we do it. Maybe I could do like 5 of those. About the sun. 145. Go ahead, help yourself. Have a piece. Cheesy. Winter solstice, pizza time. I don't know who makes this. Pizza Cafe or something like that. Can't read, it's too dark. It's still going on pretty good in here. My altar. Moved a few things around, got the fire going. Comment below if you celebrate the winter solstice. This is my first one. Let me know how I did. I don't think I did very good, but I had fun. Had a few beers, had pizza, stuffed, had cheese, which I don't eat cheese. I eat cheese, you see me. You don't have to refrigerate anything. 29 degrees outside. Tomorrow morning we'll have some coffee and we'll get to the spare parts and tools I bring along. A couple recovery things I bring, just in case I get stuck out somewhere. What do I actually bring along with me where I feel comfortable? So that's all tomorrow. It's not baling wire and duct tape. I brought a few other things too. I hope you enjoyed the pizza. I hope you enjoyed the winter solstice display. That was my first, so comment below if you think I'm a jerk or a dork or whatever. So it's all new to me. Pizza was good. Enjoy the fire. Woohoo! Hey folks, day 2. Here we go. What we're gonna do is we're gonna unload spare parts and tools. Some of the stuff I'm not, like the recovery boards here. Here's the jack bar. Here's how I keep warm. You all know I have that stuff. Some basic stuff, some winter gear, gloves, cheesy gloves, beanie. This one's sort of fallen over my eyes. I'm not really digging it anymore. I always carry an extra one of these, a heavy winter coat, something for the rain in case you have to change a spare tire. Toilet paper, always spare toilet paper. Couple rolls. This is spare parts, tools. So here's the 2 tables. I'm thinking some heavy stuff on this. So I always carry a tarp. Tools, right? You guys got me working. Along with the hatchet, I do have a army shovel. I would really like to get some brackets on my rack and carry a full-size shovel. Super important, that little one. All right, cleaned it out. There's my jacket, keep it wrapped up. That's a hammock. So when you do have trees, you can park close to a tree and throw out a hammock for an afternoon nap. Anywho, this is my clothes. This is what I bring out for 3 days. I have a bigger one for 5 days. And if it's like 2 days, 1 night, I just wear the same clothes and bring an extra pair of underwear and socks. Here's a 17. I use that to mount the cameras. Let's go see what we got over here. This is something nice to see. That's probably had that for 10 years and just realized that it's no good. See that? That's some cool stuff. Glass cleaner. This is my air down hose. You've seen that in a video. I'll post the link up above. Okay, here's some pry bars. 36 millimeter. Was that 46 millimeter? 42 millimeter something? The rear axle for the big nut. Breaker bar. Torque wrench. 19s. Soft blow hammer. Crescent wrench. Gloves. Screwdriver bag. Small sockets. Bigger sockets. Big sockets. Half-inch stuff. Some electrical stuff in here. Pliers. Everything here, I'd say the summer of 2021, I started working on my bus, and everything I used, every tool I used out of the shop, I would put into this kit and put it into the bus. So a little bit over a year of just collecting everything from little sledgehammer, all the stuff that we use all the time is all in here. Okay, another thing with the floor jack, I only use this for one day. So I would like to use it a little bit more to really know it's good. But with the floor jack, the rear luggage shelf, you have a 1/2-inch piece of plywood back there. Take the 1/2-inch piece of plywood and lay it on the dirt, and that's what you could pull your motor with. The Hearst style bumpers do hurt it for being like a 40-minute job. It takes me about 40 minutes just to get those off. Okay, spare parts. Always a crappy old throwout bearing. An arm kit in here too somewhere. Yeah, right here. So I got an extra clutch, extra pressure plate, brake clean, WD-40 wire brushes, acetone wipes, plastic brushes, more rags, and more rags. Some extra headlight bulbs, coil, cap, rotor. That reminds me, I have stuff underneath the front seat I gotta dig out. All tune-up stuff, plugs, plug wires, Teflon tape, more electrical stuff that should go somewhere else. There we go. Voltmeter, ohms meter, Renogy, all this stuff, solar, some extra fuses for the whole thing, solar, battery pack, everything. This is sealants and rear axle kits. I'll have sealant everywhere in here. Extra fuel pump, fuel filters, petcock. These things always dry out on your carburetor. Gasket kit, accelerator cable, clutch cable. You know what these are? That all just goes in that little army bag. Another can of brake clean. Another late style throwout bearing. Another crossbar. I didn't even know I had that one. Rear main seal. Shifter bushings. Just nuts and bolts in here. Just weird little for the pedal and rear axle and heater. Keep your heater going. Keep your accelerator tube on. A extra bung for the exhaust. If you're running hot in the hot temperatures, I cover off my fresh air tubes. Here we go. My spare distributor in case mine takes a dump, and condenser and points. I don't run on my backups. I don't run electronic ignition. I want to be able to get home, and that stuff can fail pretty easily. Hey everybody, thanks so much for watching. I got a big mess to clean up. The pizza last night was amazing. If you like this kind of stuff, please like and subscribe. I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace out, people. Have a great holiday.